Hello everyone, welcome in DIS. In the previous video, we talk about the syllabus of the C language. We complete the syllabus step by step from today's video. Today's video we talk about programming, why we need programming. So today in this video, firstly we talk about programming. It is a computer language which is used by programmer to implement the algorithms and ideas of human on machine. Computer language is used by programmer to implement algorithms and ideas of human machine. It implements the ideas of the humans on machines in the form of algorithms. We use programming language to implement this. Programming language. There are two types of programming language. First is low level language, that is called LLL, and second is high level language, that is called HLL. All low level language having binary language and machine language is called low level language. Binary language and machine language, and the second is assembly language. These languages are called low level language. High level language includes all modern programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. Now we talk about the binary language. Binary language, all we know that it has the base of 2 and its range is 0 to 1. 0 to 1, and it having only two numbers 0 and 1, so it is called base is 2. Binary number, we read that binary number base 2 and range 0 to 1. In the binary language or machine language, here are two numbers only 0 and 1 and 2. Base is the 2 of the binary number base 2. So in the binary language, here are two numbers 0 and 1. All code is written in the form of the 0 and 1. It means 0 and 1. 0 represent the false. 0 represent the false and 1 represent the true. 1 represent the true. Now we know that we are writing 5, 7, only 7. So in the binary language, we write 111. We write 111. 111 is the binary number ASCII value of the 7. So we in this type we can find any number of the binary number. It is decimal number and we convert it in the binary number. Suppose that we are having the 9. We are having the 9 1 0 0 1. It is the binary code of the 9. We can find that any number using a series that is called 1 0 neglect 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. नोट 1 2 3 4 ऐसे सीरीज नहीं लिखने में. सीरीज कैसे लिखने होंगे आप ध्यान से देखेंगे. 1 मल्टीप्लाई 2 को करेंगे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई 2 2, फिर 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4, 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 8, 8 को 2 से 2 multiply 8 multiply 2 16. In this form we can that find a series. So in this we use that where suppose that we write the number of 10. We write the 10 number in the binary language. Then we use that this series. We find out the which number addition is 10, 8 or 2, 10 to 1 0 1 0. So 8 and 2, when we add these two numbers, then we get 10. So in the place of 8 and 2, we use 1 and remaining numbers under 0. Then 10 code of binary is 1 0 1 0. Now next step, assembly language. In the assembly language, we use the mnemonics like load. It is used to load the value in the memory. Load. we use jump, JMP, jump. It is used to jump from one statement to another, jump. For addition, add. For addition, add. For subtraction, SUB. For subtraction, SUB. For division, DIV. All are written in capital letters. In this type, we use some specific mnemonics to apply it to use in the assembly language. It is easy in the comparison of binary language because we are writing your code in binary language. Then we use 0 and 1. If you are having any error in your program, then it is difficult to find out the error and solve it. So we use some English language like this and writing the code in the assembly language. It is read by the assembler and convert into the binary language or a machine language. Now we move to high level language. In the high level language, all modern programming languages are come under in the high level language. For example, C, C++, Java, etc. These modern languages are the high level language. In this topic, we cover the C language completely. Now, why we need high level languages? So we all know that computer understand only binary language. All we know that computer understand only binary language. He cannot understand other language. But in the assembly language or C, C++ language, we use English language mainly. But computer cannot understand English language. He is only binary language. So we use the language translator, programming language translator to read the code which we write in the high level language. It is very difficult to write the code in the binary language. I define it before a minute. It is very difficult to write the code in the binary language. It is complete task for programmers. It is a compiled task for a programmer. Programmers are faced many difficulties when there is any changes in the program task. If programmers are using some code, writing some code, and there is changes in the code on the user requirement, then it is a difficult task. When we use to change the program statements, then we are facing problems. Programmer facing programs or difficulties to change the code. So assembly language come in the existence. It is a difficult task for the programmers to change in the program which is written in the binary language. So assembly language come in the existence. To escape these problems and difficulties, we use assembly languages. We use some instructions like data transfer instructions. In the assembly language, we use some instructions which are created by the programmer like data transfer instruction, data manipulation instruction, and program control instructions. These instructions are followed in the assembly language like load, jump, move, division, multiply, etc. After that, to make programming more easy, we are using high level language. So programming to make easy, we use the high level language. If you are understanding our concept completely or like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel. After subscription, click on the bell button so that we get notification when new video is uploaded by us. Thank you to all. Have a nice day.